Hey guys, before we start, please make sure to stay until the end. We're going to talk about common mistakes people make that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you trying to find the BMS, the battery monitor sensor, battery sensor on GMC Terrain, that generation here from year 2010 to year 2017. Stay with us, we'll explain where you can find them. Quick advice from us, guys, please do not waste your money until you watch that video, because it could be quite simple fix. Do not buy new alternator, BMS sensor, anything like that. Now, before we continue, if you need to buy any replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, we're going to share, guys, the information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. Before we guys start, let us tell you quick a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos showing you how to fix engines, transmissions, engine codes, fuses, relays. And by the way, guys, on that generation GMC Terrain, we're going to have more than 150 videos alone for fuses, relays, why things don't work, how to fix them. Check it out, why we make those things to save you money, guys. Let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, you need to find a fuse for a fuel pump. You just come to the channel, watch the video for a minute or two, replace it, you're back on the road. And on our YouTube channels, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos, guys, that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's start on it now. So the BMS, the battery sensor, fuses, relays, come, guys, to show you where they're located on that generation GMC Terrain right here. Quick advice from us, guys, 9 out of 10 owners will not know where all the hidden fuse boxes are located in that GMC Terrain. That's why we made one special video on our YouTube channel that's called GMC Terrain Fuse Box Location in Diagram video that can save you a lot of money, guys. What we need to do now here, we need to open the hood, and facing the engine on the right side, this is the driver's side, you have the brake fluid reservoir. Next to it you have the main engine fuse box. You have a clip here and a clip there. Release them. You can after that leave that cover up, and underneath you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, guys, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is, guys, very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume, guys, that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse. Sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen, guys, at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well, guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. And now, which fuse we need to check specifically for the BMS? This is not the alternator fuse. If you're looking for the alternator fuse, it's extremely hidden, and we have the video on the channel to help you out with that. But just for the BMS, the battery sensor, guys, if you come in that row of fuses, fuse numbers are a little confusing, but that's fuse number 4, then 22, 25, 28. You see that fuse number 28, which is a 5 amp fuse? That's the one for the BMS, the battery monitor sensor, guys. That's the battery sensor fuse that you will need to check. You don't have relays, you just have that fuse on your GMC Terrain that controls it. So, guys, this generation GMC Terrain, it has all kinds of different kinds of fuses and relays, especially if you go in the engine compartment fuse box, you can see. Now, those could be sometimes hard to find. We'll recommend to always keep some spares in the glove box for peace of mind, because if you're in the middle of nowhere, guys, okay, and you need to find a replacement fuse for the fuel pump, you don't have one, you may be stuck there. So get some. We'll share the information in the description of the video below where you can get them from. Check it out, and that's where we get most of our tools and supplies from. Hopefully the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Thank you for watching. See you next time.